Welcome back, AI learners. Before we delve into what AI can do for us, we must learn how to talk to AI. If you treat generative AI like a vending machine, typing in a few words and hoping for the best, you will consistently receive generic results. To get professional-grade work, you have to approach the model as you would a highly skilled freelancer. These models work by predicting the next most likely word in a sequence. When your instructions are vague, the AI has a massive range of common average paths to choose from. It defaults to the statistically most likely response, which is why the output feels forgettable and lifeless. To get a result that matches your specific vision, you need to provide a creative brief. This moves the interaction away from simple commands and into a professional direction. A high-performing creative brief is built from 5 specific components. When you provide these 5 inputs, you take control of the machine's behavior rather than merely reacting to its first guess. The first component is the role. Assigning a persona sets boundaries for the AI's expertise in tone. Ask for a marketing explanation, and you get a dry textbook definition. But instruct it to act as a senior marketing strategist, and the response becomes tactical and focused. To ensure the AI doesn't have to guess your intent, you must provide context. This background information anchors the task in your specific reality. For example, instead of asking for a generic coffee script, you explain that you are creating a 30-second clip for Artisan Beans, a brand that targets coffee lovers who value cozy sophistication. It is important to keep this background information separate from the actual instruction. Never bury what you want the AI to do inside the description of what it is. That brings us to the task: direct, actionable instructions. Asking for some ideas invites a lack of focus. You need strong verbs defining exactly what the system should create. For example, generate 10 creative blog post titles focused on sustainable travel in Costa Rica. By defining who the AI is, what it knows, and exactly what it must do, you remove the ambiguity that leads to hallucination and irrelevant content. You can eliminate manual rewriting by defining the format. This tells the AI how to structure data before generating. For instance, ask for a 2-column markdown table to compare tools. The data arrives ready for your documents, requiring no additional reformatting. We have the role, context, task, and format. But how do you ensure the AI captures your specific brand voice or style? You provide the final component, leading with an example. This serves as a blueprint for the expected style and tone. If you want a punchy, excited hook, provide a sample like, "Another day, another deadline staring you down?" We get it. Enforcing these structural constraints and providing a clear blueprint ensures the final product aligns with your requirements on the first try. Let's see these components work together. A podcaster named Jenna needs to promote an episode about creator burnout. Her first attempt, a simple request for a post, resulted in a generic and forgettable caption. She rebuilds the prompt using all 5 elements. She sets the role as an empathetic marketer, provides the context of her freelance audience, defines the task as writing an Instagram caption, sets the format to include a hook and a call to action, and provides a punchy example for tone. The resulting post is targeted and empathetic. It addresses the industry's always-on pressure and offers specific solutions, all while maintaining the exact structure she requested. This structured prompt is your starting point. You can now treat the AI as a collaborator, providing follow-up instructions to refine and polish the result until it perfectly matches your vision. Role, context, task, format, example. When you move from simple commands to comprehensive briefs, you shift the process from guesswork to a predictable professional standard. Do you want to learn more? Visit author William Zain's website for AI-related books, tips, and online courses. Scan the QR code.